Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Couple. Today we're making affordable DIY home decor using simple items you can find at Dollar Tree. We're going to start this project by grabbing one of these little gift containers from Dollar Tree and some of this nautical rope. So the first thing that we're going to do is start wrapping this around, and I'm just using some hot glue to attach this, and we're going to wrap this rope all the way around. One thing to remember when you're making this is we want to create a back so that whenever we add rope or our rope ends, it's in the back and we're not going to see it. So if you get to a point where you feel like the rope is going to end in the front, you can cut that and start your rope in the back and go all the way around again. The main thing that we want to do is just make sure we are not ending in the front and all of the seams or the parts where the ropes connect are in the back. Next, we're going to create some legs for this, and all I'm doing is grabbing one of these pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. You can find that in their craft section, and I'm going to cut this into 3 equal parts. You could do 4 legs if you wanted to. I ended up doing 3 on this since I feel like 4 would be a little bit too much with the size of wood that we're using. Once I have those cut out, I decided to use my orbital sander to curve the ends of these and make these a little bit smoother. So you can always leave them rectangular like this, but I thought it was fun to kind of create this arch design, and it's going to add a little bit more quality and higher end look in the end. Next, we're going to move on to staining, and I'm using this General Finishes nutmeg stain. This is one of our favorites that we like to use on a ton of different projects and furniture. This part isn't necessarily needed, but I think it does add a little bit of a higher end look. We're going to clear coat these wood pieces, and that's just going to give them a nice finish so it looks overall more polished in the end. And once our legs are all finished, we can go ahead and glue these on. Again, just using some hot glue to attach all 3 of these. One thing that I just absolutely forgot about is staining the underneath part of these, because you will see that. So I noticed that as soon as I was gluing these on. So just make sure that you actually stain both sides of these, the front and the back. For this project, we're going to be using one of these little organizers, I think. I can't remember if this is like an office organizer, but what we're going to be doing is clipping off the bottom here, and then we're actually going to use both parts of this. I hate to waste anything, so I try to, if we can, salvage any pieces. So the little part here on the bottom that we're cutting off, we'll actually use that a little bit later in the video. But for this, we're just going to cut that off and use the top. Next, we're going to paint everything gold, and then we're going to create a top using these craft sticks from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do here is just take these out, and I'm going to start gluing them, starting in the middle and then working my way out. Once I attached all those pieces, I actually flipped this upside down so that I could add just a little bit more hot glue underneath, and that way I felt like it was secured just a little bit better. Next we need to trim this piece, so I'm using one of these utility blades and I'm just going to cut all the way around, and then that way I kind of have a score mark and I can bend those and break those off. So it will be a little bit rough. You can just take some sandpaper and trim that up, make that smoother. And then next we're going to add a stain to give this a little bit more color. Here's the little piece that I was talking about earlier that we cut off, and I thought it would be perfect for just like a little miniature succulent holder or a candle. And so the one part is going to be the base, and then the cup is going to be the part that we actually put something in. All I did was spray paint it that gray color, and then again, like I said, you could just put a little candle or a succulent in there, and I think it's a really pretty piece. For this project, you're going to need one of these 2-tiered Easter trays, and as soon as I saw it, I thought it had a really cool shape, but the rabbit ears were just throwing it off a little bit. Of course, you could always use this for what it is, Easter, but I wanted to create something a little bit more high-end and modern. So I'm going to be using this black spray paint, and we're going to give this whole thing a nice coat of black paint. Now you could leave it just like this, but I wanted to give it a little bit more of a high-end look. So I have some of this leather lace that I'm going to use here and go around the top to create a handle. And I think this just takes it to the next level. It's just adding a little bit more character and design to this. And so all I'm going to do is take some hot glue, glue the end on, and then I'm going to start wrapping this around and gluing it kind of throughout. For this tray, we're going to need one of these decor trays from Dollar Tree and this decor piece here, also from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do here is remove the beads, and the oval shape, we're going to actually cut that in half and use that for the legs on this tray. Now I say tray, but it's really a tray, riser, plant stand, whatever you want to call it, just something that you could put something else on, plants, jewelry, watches, whatever it might be. I think it's just a really nice display piece. And when I cut this, I noticed that there was some of these areas that weren't quite black. So I wanted a nice even black color. So I'm using this satin black spray paint to paint those. And then we're going to attach these on the bottom for the legs. And all I'm doing here to attach these is some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach this on both sides. I think it would look really good like this on the outer edges, and then also I tried it with them a little bit more towards the center, and I thought that looked really good as well. So either way, I think this is just a really fun piece, and with the legs here, it just gives it a little bit more of a high-end modern look. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.